Hey, welcome to Cooking with Ranger Rob. Grab your aprons and let's get started, guys. Before we get started, please take the time to subscribe, then click on the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. This video is made possible by RangerRob Poopy Bags, available in Amazon right now.
Hi guys, today is a Traeger day, a very short video. Today I'm trying something a little different. I'm trying sauerkraut from Costco and some beer brats from Safeway. Put them in a container and got them in here like so. And I thought it'd be interesting to slow cook them for an hour or two till the beer brats are done, and see if the smoky goodness kind of adds to it. So a very simple meal today: beer brats and sauerkraut in the Traeger. I'm going to cook it at about 250, and there it is. Just an idea for your Traeger, and I'll let you know how they taste. I'll give you a sneak peek before we pull them out. I'm going to check on them a couple of times, but anyway, try it out, guys. So our kielbasa is done. I thought I'd let you see what it looks like. I told you it'd be a really short video. Here it is, done product. And did a little taste test. It was pretty darn good. So yeah, get a chance with your Traeger, throw a little bit of kielbasa, a couple of beer brats in. It does have a nice smoky taste. Thumbs up. Anyway, talk to you later, guys. Bye.
Thank you for watching our video. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over. Then go down to the description and think about becoming a member of our Patreon. This will allow you to get special content just for you and help us build future content. Thank you.